commitment of service. When we commit ourselves to become scholars, we must be exemplar scholars. I made it as our first priority a student-centered service. That more than the standards, ang batayan ko natin ay clientele satisfaction.